Today, on this glorious bank of Yamuna, the sunshine illuminates my boundary walls. I, the Red Fort, am waiting. Today, the great Emperor Shah Jahan will witness the fortress of his dreams, the fortress of his imagination and his deepest desires. For the last 9 years, I have been waiting here for this very moment. I have been desperately counting the days for Delhi to once again become India's capital. Bricks, stones, and mortar, along with the hard work of thousands of workers who have toiled day and night, have made Shah Jahan's vision a reality, adding glory to the bank of Yamuna. Beg Saab, hurry up. It's time to celebrate the Red Fort. Yes, Kasam, let's go. The royal decree says to be punctual. Saab, rather than punctuality, I'm more eager to look at the sights that Red Fort has within. Yes, it's 9 years of hard work. I have heard so much about it. The Lahori gates are just about to open. Come. Here, people will enter from the Lahori gate and set their sights on the Chhatna Chowk's hustle and bustle and on the glimmering, enchanting, glamorous view before them. Sir, do take a look at the spectacular carpet. You will only find this here. Janab, come here and look at this beautiful jewels. You won't find this anywhere else. Look at this silk. Huzur, this is muslin. Look, how everyone is waiting in anticipation. How in Robert Khan, time itself has been waiting for this very instant. When the emperor will enter, the sounds and music of celebration, Nobat Khana will echo throughout the city. The gleaming Diwani arm seems to be crafted from marble, wearing a sheet of light, waiting for the emperor to meet public and listen to them. Now, for one last time, every curtain, every chandelier will be inspected. Here, behind the great curtain, only people from the royal family or someone special can venture. The atmosphere in the kitchen is tense. There should be no errors, no delays. Every preparation should be impeccable and perfect. After all, today is the first day that Emperor Shah Jahan enters the Red Fort. Oh no, this lacks saffron. No, Jana, what are you saying? The whole fort will be encased in the aroma of this meal. Look there at the Rang Mahal. It looks like the whole of humanity is here to celebrate. Everybody is ready for the dance. The resonance of the anklets is blending in the air. The atmosphere is drenched in song. Indeed, this is a celebration that is the grandest of all celebrations.
I'm simply unable to get this new move right. I keep slipping up.
Oh, but it's easy. Tram, tram, takita, takita. On this beat, you must make two words and then end like this. Now you try.
Bathed in the light, the hammam, its floor, its roof, both are waiting, holding their breath. Here, the strokes of wet winds are lingering, asking when the emperor will set foot inside here, when life will bloom here.
Where is this fragrance from? Taste this from the hot steam emerging from the ground. It is drenched in the fragrance of roses. This is so delightful, right? Yes, an eye for detail has made our Red Fort perfect. So much thought has gone in everything.
The beautiful Yamuna has given its own water to the canal, Meher-e-Bahesht. It is now impatiently waiting for the resonant atmosphere of the wet fort, desperately waiting to meet Shah Jahan. And look there, with Shah Jahan on board, arrives the royal boat of Yamuna, right there, right now.
Oh, where are you running off to? Like a gust of wind. Archer Salamat has arrived. Really? Go tell everyone in the fort.
Now the time has almost come where every nook and cranny within me will finally be seen. There will be activity. A lofty and glorious flag will wave here forever. Look, Shah Jahan himself is admiring my proud walls. It looks like he can't believe his own eyes. Not to speak of throne. That will be the seat of our emperor.
Congratulations!
What a view, what beauty. Wherever you look, there are blossoming flowers, happy people, smiling and laughing in pure joyousness. Even after the celebrations, the sounds of joy still echo. This is my only wish, the only hope, that from today, every moment I remain India's glory and India's pride. That I continue to live in every Indian's heart.